Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and this particular clip goes to the man who wrote this book, the man who sold his Ferrari, Robin Sharma, phenomenal author. And he's written a beautiful thing that who will win the world, who will conquer the world, is a person who will control his temper and stay cool amongst the chaos. Cool amongst the chaos. And he cited an example that one of the most valuable thing to be staying calm is to speak the right kind of things. If you utter the right kind of words out of your mouth, right, you will always be valued and you'll stay calm. And the ancient sages will always speak anything which will pass the three gate test. The three gate test is if the first thing is true, then it will pass the gate, then go to the second gate. If the second is true, then the third gate. And then only they will speak something out of their lips. So the first thing is, whatever you're speaking, is it really true? Do you mean that? That's the first gate. If it passes that, right? Second gate is that is it actually useful? Is it worth? Will it make a difference to somebody? And if yes, the third thing, is it kind? So if something is true, it is valuable, and number three, it is kind to everybody who are listening to it, that should pass the three gate test and should come out in the world. And this is a beautiful way of getting respect, and creating a team. Remember, amongst the chaos, if you are cool and you speak the right kind of things, you are always a winner. Thank you very much.